Hey guys, Philippe car tips. Today's gonna be a quick video of how to take dog hair or pet hair from your car. This is mostly a video for pretty much pet owners, right? And for me, people always ask me how I keep my car so clean while having a dog like this. And honestly, using one of these, a lint roller, to me is the most efficient and quickest way of cleaning your car. Yes, you can use vacuum sponges. There's special tools you can use to remove fur from your car. But again, like the vacuum, that's time consuming. You got to set it up, put it away. To me, that's time consuming. Two, sponges, people always lose them, misplace them, they get thrown out easily. And there's like a fur coat, which I heard about, I've seen a few videos of them. They're pretty good, but again, I feel like I would be the one misplacing those type of things. So me using a lint roller is a great tool to have to keep in your car. You can use it anytime you like. And on top of that, you can use it on yourself. You know, whenever I'm going to work, whenever I'm just in my house and you clean something up, a lint roller, easy to store, easy to have, easy to use. Grab it like that.